MDT was established in 2000. We specialize in display technologies. Over the years, we have expanded our product line into RFID and enabling technologies. We design inlays, labels, transponder, gateway, and sensors. Today, we are the global IoT company, doing businesses in 30 over countries. Our manufacturing capacity in Malacca has a production capacity of over 1 billion RFID tags and inlays. At MDT, we understand, we design, and we develop cutting-edge products, and we turn ideas into solutions. In the construction industry, our WeCare solution provides physical information and real-time personal tracking to ensure that every individual worker is safe at all times. In the healthcare industry, our specially designed sensors and tags allows doctors and nurses to know where every vital equipment is, anywhere, anytime. Our patented lino tags withstand the most extreme conditions such as machine washing, dry cleaning, ironing, and can undertake pressure up to 100 bar. And it has also passed the X-ray test and the MRI test. In manufacturing industry, our WIP Industrial 4.0 is a smart factory solution that turns conventional machine into fully automated tools. We retrofit and incorporate our smart devices onto existing equipment and turn them into state-of-the-art machines. At MDT, we transform technologies into solutions.